Okay, we have here Realtek Ethernet controller, and I will try to find your device in here. I will push update accessible device, and TIA portal try to find our hardware in network, and you can see here our PLC1 and this IP address. So we can change our CPU's address is the same, and 2 and 5. Here I have Ethernet address and the same address. I give the same address. We can change this address now, and when we download the hardware configuration, this will automatically change. So this here we have this IP number, and if we look our IP number, we can see here these connections and this IP version 4, and we can see here my IP address 20. So this three number is same, and last is the 20, and this gateway must be same, 255, 255, and 255 0. This same now. I am in same network. We are in the same network in PLC and our computer in same network, so we can make it communications. Here or CPU hardware and everything here. If we change hardware, or if we change something in PLC properties, we must all time make it download. It's right click in PLC and this download the device hardware and software. If we make some change properties or hardware, and if we don't use this hardware and software downloading system, our program will not work rightly. Okay, so we will now download the device and hardware and software change. We can see here our PLC and PGPC interface. We will use this Realtek Ethernet controller. After next video or after we will use this wireless network adapter or different interface. So we will use now PGPC interface Realtek Ethernet, and I will push this start search, and again TIA portal try to find our hardware. Here you can see found accessible device PLC1, and here PLC1. If you have your network more than one CPU, you can push this flashlight here, and you can see here your CPU give flash here. These three different lamps is open and close, light or light, open and close. So this we can say our CPU is this here or CPU. If you have your network more than one CPU, you can find your CPU using flashlight. I will push load, and now our hardware will go, hardware and software downloading CPU. Here we can see like this. And this here we have some information, and TIA portal ask stop CPU and delete all file inside CPU. I say delete all, and these all modules in stop. I will push load, and you can see here orange lamp and flashing orange lamp. This means our CPU goes stop and delete all inside is program. Now we will wait, and now all all file is loading now, loading configuration, loading our software. We don't make any, we don't create any program or we don't make anything. And last, TIA portal ask and start all system. You can see here our CPU is orange land. This means orange land. This means PLC in stop mode now. I will push finish, and you can see blink now, orange lamp and green. We can say now our PLC is run mode, and this another module is, you can see the green lamp. Everything is okay now. Our hardware is or hardware and or software's hardware is the same now. So we make our hardware and we download our hardware. If you want to check this same hardware in online and offline, we can make this here go online. So TIA portal connected our CPU and module systems. If we see and if we look our project, and if we see green circle, everything is okay. You can see here check, green check icons, and everything is okay now, and we don't have any problem. We can this here update accessible device again, and we will see this our CPU is here and change name, and we use the same IP and IP address, and our PLC's name is changed, and we can see here our PLC. So we can start now create program, and this device and project tree, we can see our CPU, and if we open our CPU block, and here you can see all PLC's folders, we will use these program blocks for creating our program. And device configuration here, we know these device configurations here, and this online diagnostic we can use our CPU's information. We can use this online diagnostic or CPU's diagnostic status general, and this general we can see our CPU's version, article number, and rack slot. Module information is, we give name is module Udemy SCADA PLC, and installation date we can see here. Diagnostic status, and now we don't have any fault. Diagnostic buffer, we can see these events when our CPU gives some fault. We can see here, we can find here, and we can see what happened now. And cycle time, you can see here cycle time less than 1 millisecond. Memory, we can see here memory, load memory, work memory, and retain memory here, and you can see here free and in use. We can see here Profinet interface Ethernet address here, or device MAC address here. And these functions, assign IP address, we can change our device IP address, and set time, we can set our time here. Firmware update, in here we can download firmware, and we can update our device firmware, and we can give name here. We give, if you remember Udemy SCADA PLC, we can give name. This name is using Profinet communication. Because of this, we must all time give some name or device, and we can make it reset two-factor settings or device. We can retain IP address or delete IP address. If I push reset button, After our CPU will be reset, all hardware settings and everything will be reset. After I must download again my program. So next video, first of all we will look addressing systems. After I will create our first program.